and one color of a fusion inks, and also we are going to need a crystal clear to blend it. So this one will have the fusion ink to absorbing it to the nails and grab the pigment of the fusion ink is so much better, and then crystal clears is going to blend it and make it really nice as veinings for you. So let's get started, and I'm go ahead and using a thinking green. You might find a lot of videos that I did has a lot of colors. I mean more than it's one color of a fusion ink, so you can do one or two. It's really, it's up to you. So I'm not using a thinking green, just thinking of one colors for a scent patty. It doesn't have to be an accessory. Is with the shamrock you can do anything with theme of the green. So I'm going to tap it on the nails. You can able to do it's like however you would like. You can do is less like you can do the veinings however you would like. You can do an S shape, you can do diagonals, you can do half of the nails however you would like. And if you want to be darker, you can definitely it just applies more than it just one time. And if you want to be like perfect like this, you can do more than this one time, like couple time at least. And I'll let it set for just a little bit, and we are going to using the crystal clear. Hope everyone having a fabulous Tuesday. If you are working, have is productive day. If you're having a day off, have a fabulous day off. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up just a little bit of the crystal clear. You do not need to saturate your bristle, just need a little bit, go a long way. And then you can see that I like clean the bristle right on that piece of paper right there, just to remove of the excess pigment that is going to stay on the bristle. So then when you are dipping it back in to the crystal clear, it will not going to contaminate is the pigment in the bottles. So I'm gonna continue, and then you see that how I using just a little bit, little go a long way. You don't need to use too much of a fusion ink. Crystal clear, you don't need to use a lot of fusion ink. Crystal clear, just a little bit, because you don't want it completely like bleaching it away. And then of course that you can do more than it's just one colors. Okay, I'm gonna just blend it one more time. And then if you are doing it, that's the best technique I share with you, tip and trick, just using and apply from out size toward to the centers, and then keep it really a little of a crystal clear if possible. I'm really happy with this, and I'm wiping off the bristle and close the crystal clear. So now if you're happy with this, you are going to top coat it. If you don't want any veinings, you can definitely top coat it and cure it for 60 seconds, and you are good to go. But I'm going to using a little bit of a go from the illuminating gel painting, and we are going to apply just a little bit and make it like wiggles. You don't have to do it like really perfect. Just a little bit. And then if you're happy with this, we are going to cure this beauty for like 30-second flash cure.